Ciao Tesla people. Today I have a new video on how to add a key, or in my case, another phone has a key to the Tesla Model Y in this case. So basically, this is my current phone. It's a Xiaomi 12 Pro, I think, 12 or 13 Pro, and I just got a Samsung S24 Ultra, uh, very expensive but very cool phone. So right now I logged in into my Tesla account, so I have the Tesla app on the phone, but it asked me to set up the key. I don't know if you can tell here. So setup key. Okay, on this other phone I have all the features and the options available. Okay, so right now on this phone I don't have the SIM card. I have Wi-Fi and it's connected to my Wi-Fi, home Wi-Fi, and the other one has a SIM card, so with data. So let's hope that everything goes well. Okay, I never done this before besides the first time that I associated my phone, the Xiaomi 12 Pro. So let's do it with this. So uh, on the pad, you go to control and then you go to locks. Okay, and there is the list of key cards. They are um, associated with the Tesla in your account, of course. So here is my current phone. So I'm going to add a key, and let's do it from the phone. So it says set up. I'm going to set it up on the phone. I have authorizing, okay, and it's done. Yeah, so it just authorized um, from the Tesla account, my phone. Um, yeah, and that's it. I didn't have to do anything. And on the display, so this is done. On the display, there is my name, of course, Alessandro, and there is a S24 Ultra. Okay, let me see if I can. Uh, I have to check if I need to rename it this or anything. So it was very easy. You basically add the Tesla app on the new phone, wherever you have um, a SIM card or Wi-Fi, but you need to have a data connection. So if you don't have a SIM card on the new one because you put it on your you have it on the old one, just to use Wi-Fi. If you're not close home to your Wi-Fi home network, you can actually set up a access point on the phone and share that with the new phone. Okay. So the other thing that I wanted to add, if you noticed on this phone, just below the car, I have 5 icons. Okay, let me turn on the. So I have 5 icons. Instead, on the new phone, on the app, I only have 4 icons. On this is a trick that on Android you um, can use. Okay, so if you click right on the edge of the this bar when there are 4 icons, you enter the how you say the menu. Okay, let me. Okay, right here with all the icons. Okay, so now you can um, drag one of the icon that you want. In my case, I want to add the trunk, and you drag it to the very edge of the phone. and it should edit. Uh, it takes a bit to do it because it's kind of tricky. Okay, yeah, still not. So that's the way to do it. You basically drag, and it takes a bit because you need to be right on the edge. Not sure why it's so difficult to do it. Anyway, I'm going to play around with that because last time I remember it took me like 5 minutes to play around with this. But it's just a small trick that you can use on the Tesla app to add more icons on this list just below your car. So it was very, very easy to add a new phone as a key to the car. And let me check. Actually, let me check if it works. Let's unlock the lock the car. Yeah, and lock the car. Let's unlock it. Yeah, everything works really good. Pretty happy with it. It was really quick. I thought I would need to use the pad here, the display, but in reality, just do it from the phone. You set up, and it will automatically add it to your account. Very easy. Anyway, I'm going to leave my Tesla referral in the description. If you buy a Tesla, you can get up to 3 months of free FSD, which is really good because FSD now is going to is going to go to version 12, the new version, which is really, really impressive. Also, you can do a test driving with my Tesla referral. And I have the links about the accessories that I install on my Model Y. Check them out. Please leave a like. Subscribe to the channel will help me a lot to do more videos. Turn on notification if you already subscribed. And I'll see you on next video. Ciao, Tesla people.